Introducing the 2025 Mercedes luxury camper van, the ultimate Class B motorhome that redefines compact travel with elegance, efficiency, and unmatched comfort. This high-end RV experience is built on the iconic Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, offering a smooth and confident ride combined with top-of-the-line luxury features tailored for modern nomads, digital wanderers, or anyone seeking the freedom of the open road without compromising on style or convenience. Under the hood, the 2025 model is powered by a 3.0 V6 turbo diesel engine, delivering strong torque and impressive fuel economy for long hauls or mountain drives. With Mercedes 9G, Tronic automatic transmission and advanced 4x4 capability available as an option, this camper van is more than capable of handling various terrains while maintaining a quiet, composed driving experience. The cockpit features a 10.25-inch MBUX infotainment screen with voice control, built-in navigation, smartphone integration, and driver assist systems such as lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, active brake assist, and adaptive cruise control, making every journey safer and more intuitive. Step inside and you're immediately immersed in a high-end mobile living space designed with premium materials and intelligent use of space. Inside the cabin, the 2026 DS21 offers an experience that blends luxury and technology in perfect harmony. The interior is outfitted with premium materials, including Napa leather seats with French stitching, walnut wood trim, and a range of customizable options to suit the tastes of even the most discerning buyers. One of the most striking features of the interior is the floating 14-inch OLED touchscreen that controls nearly every aspect of the car, from navigation to climate control and entertainment. The screen is seamlessly integrated into the dashboard, creating a clean and minimalist look. The car also features ambient LED lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and a sound system by Focal Electra, delivering an immersive audio experience that transforms the cabin into a luxury lounge on wheels. The 2026 DS21 is packed with cutting-edge tech features designed to enhance the driving experience. It comes equipped with Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, allowing the car to handle tasks such as climate control is handled by a high-efficiency rooftop AC unit, a diesel-powered or electric furnace, and a sophisticated insulation package that keeps the cabin comfortable year-round. Many models come with a lithium battery bank, solar panels on the roof, and an inverter system to provide off-grid capability. You can manage these systems through an integrated digital control panel or via a smartphone app, giving you full control over power, lighting, HVAC, and water systems. Storage is another highlight, with exterior compartments for gear, interior overhead cabinets, and underbed storage that can accommodate bicycles, outdoor furniture, or bulky equipment. An electric awning with LED lighting and wind sensors provides shade and shelter outside. While optional features such as roof racks, satellite internet, and mobile workstations make this camper van suitable for both play and productivity, the 2025 Mercedes luxury camper van brings everything together: performance, innovation, comfort, and design, into a single, perfectly engineered package. Whether you're embarking on a weekend escape or a full-time van life journey, this Class B motorhome proves that true luxury can travel anywhere.